ready to ditch the event planning chaos and create unforgettable experiences. Let's dive into Eventbrite with this full demo for beginners. First, head to Eventbrite.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, click the Create Event button. You will find it at the top right corner of the screen. Now, let's fill in those all-important details, starting with your event name, a captivating summary, and selecting the event type and category. Next, specify the date, time, and location of your event. You can choose a physical venue or even host an online event. Let's create some tickets. Click on Add Tickets and choose from options like free, paid, or donation. Set the price, quantity, and sales start and end dates for each ticket type. Before you go live, preview your event listing to make sure everything looks perfect. Check your description, images, and ticket information. After your event, track its success using Eventbrite's reporting features. Analyze ticket sales, attendee demographics, and other valuable insights.